our in-house clinic with the with the efforts of everybody, we could able to make this possible. To inaugurate, we need 3 ladies. That is 1 lady from each tower. Can you come forward, please? Please come here.
From each tower, 1 lady.
From each tower, 1 lady.
एक जला के मेरा शुरू हो जाएगा नहीं बी पहले क्यों दो लगे लाइट In-house doctors available here. Please come forward. Surana ji. Our doctor is available here. Please come. Now I call upon the doctors from Apollo. Please come forward. I am inviting B.R. जाजू जी, हमारे बहुत मेंटर है वो, हमारा
सभी का एफर्ट्स है।
ये प्रोजेक्ट उनका आइडिया है,
उनका बहुत हेल्प रहता है हमेशा।
एक्सक्यूज मी प्लीज। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you. Now I call upon Deepak Kanude ji, if he is here.
He is not there.
Because he was the person who initially gave this idea to us. एकदम पहली आइडिया उनसे ही थी ये बात ये करने की. Now I call upon our beloved secretary and the person of the day. Please come. आप आइए. Chairman जी आएंगे. Chairman and secretary please both come. Please come.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
के पास इधर कैमरा
सर स्क्वैश का शॉट मार दिया है।
थैंक यू। एक टेनिस का शॉट। वेलकम सर। ऑल योर स्माइल सर।
Now I come.
Atul ji has really worked very hard.
Of course, of course.
No. And then the committee member who is now present can come one by one if committee members are there. As we are doing this on Navratri day, we want all the ladies, whatever the rest of the land, to be greeted by the ladies one by one.
Very well conducted.
विंध्या जी आ जाइए। आइए विंध्या जी को। आजा। आइए विंध्या जी आइए। हाँ विंध्या जी माथुर। अच्छा
India ji आइए ना, please come. Just you can clamp, just touch the hand here. Come.
connection
Please sir.
Somebody else coming?
one lamp specially left for you.
Thank you. Let this be very, very good.
Bindu ji, I would like you to.
Okay. Thank you for doing this because it's a very big building. There are a lot of us. कभी भी कुछ medical problem हुआ, it's good to have something close by. And let's start this off well. And if things go really well, what would be very good to see is कि रात को भी doctor हो available. That would be the most important thing. So thank you for all the good work.
जाजू जी अभी 2 शब्द बोलेंगे और फिर रिबन काट के
बोल के तो जाओ ऐसे।
See, we are very, very happy. This is one thing which is very important for everybody and
कैंसिल करने ये तो फाइनल हो गया ना कि क्या वो क्यों यार बाद में करो ना
थैंक यू सो मच।
ऑल द लेडीज वी कैन हैव वन
दोस्तों सबको एक ही बात करता हूँ, स्वास्थ्य जीवन में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है। मेरी पर्सनल प्रार्थना है कि कोई की स्वास्थ्य गड़बड़ नहीं हो, लेकिन कभी कुछ हो जावे तो कम से कम अपने सोसाइटी में नियर बाई एक फैसिलिटी होनी चाहिए, जिसके लिए बहुत लोगों ने, मुरली जी ने, पूरी टीम ने बहुत मेहनत की है और ये एक अपना सपना साकार हुआ है ताकि वो फैसिलिटी बढ़े। और नाइट में जो एक सजेशन आया था वो भी हमेशा रहेगा और रहना भी चाहिए, ये विशेष करके रहेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
प्लीज ओपन द डोर देवदास जी।
Hi everyone. Please, I would like to have 5 minutes of yours. Yes. Silence, please. Yeah.
Welcome
Okay.
to Esquire.
Thank you. Okay. So I am Sudhanshu Sharma. I am from Apollo Hospitals, and first of all, I would like to thank you all for coming here on this inauguration. And to start with, I would like to give huge amount of my appreciation and thanks to all the management committee members who have been very proactive. Right from we have been interacting with many months now. They have been very proactive and very helpful. Also, once the sort of paperwork got settled, the facility team has been more than helpful, very eager. So huge round of applause for the facility team. They have been very proactive in getting all these things done. There have been some delays for one thing or the other, but finally the day has come where it's on a good day that we are starting the operations here. So this is it. I would actually like to take 2 minutes of yours just to give you a brief about what this is. Okay. So this is in medical terms we can define as a primary health center. Now what is a primary health center is where you can come and do your primary consultations. There would be a doctor here every day whom you can come and consult. There would be a nurse here from morning till evening from 9 AM to 7 PM. So nurse can do all the nursing jobs, vital check hai, BP check hai, SpO2 check hai. Nurse can also take all your blood test का diagnostics का sample, like आपका CBC है, fasting है, thyroid है, whatever are the blood related diagnostics she can do. She can do this in the clinic as well as she can come to your home and take the sample. क्लिनिक टाइमिंग्स में तो हो जाएगा, अगर किसी को मॉर्निंग में भी अर्ली मॉर्निंग कराना है तो भी अगर आप क्लिनिक को इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग 6:30, 7, कोई लोग बहुत अर्ली राइजर होते हैं मॉर्निंग में देना चाहते हैं, दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी डन। उसके अलावा बैंडेजिंग है, चोट लग गई है बैंडेजिंग है, किसी के लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रीटमेंट चल रहे हैं, इंजेक्शंस प्रेस्क्राइब्ड हैं तो किसी और के भी प्रेस्क्राइब्ड है तो वो इंजेक्शंस यहाँ पे आके नर्स दे सकती है। ऑल दी थिंग्स कैन बी डन। So I would like to, at this time I would like to also introduce Dr. Nikita.
Hello.
So Dr. Nikita is a MBBS doctor. She has almost 3 years of experience. She has worked previously with Wockhardt Hospital in Mira Road. She has been working it at our other Apollo clinic for almost 6 months now, and also she is working at some other private and her own setup as well. So she stays not very far from here. So she will be coming here every day in the morning time, say from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 every weekday except on a Tuesday, which is a weekly off for the clinic. And so now that she is here, I would like to take maximum use of her expertise. And one thing that I would like to request all of you is that you already have access to a lot of healthcare professionals as well. So, but I would also like to use this facility to stop self medication first of all. Okay, so अगर आपको लगता है कोई छोटी भी चीज़ है तो भी हमको सेल्फ मेडिकेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप आके दे सकते हैं. And what we have done is we have made this almost very subsidized. So say you pay 499 rupees and the entire family can consult unlimited number of times for 3 months. And if you pay 1499, then entire family for a year, which is basically, if anything can be just above free, it is that. Okay, if you are getting to consult. So I think all of us should make use of it. Not neglect small things. Use this facility to better our health so that serious cases can be averted at all costs. Okay?
And if package is not taken then?
That is also one-time consultation is also available, but that is not a compulsion, but that is a preferred mode to do. Okay, and so she will be coming here. So just like to introduce to her. If you have any questions or she can also give a brief about her. Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Myself Dr. Nikita. Basically I'm graduate of Philippines. I studied my bachelor's from Philippines and then I came back here in India in 2020 and then I started my career. I have my license examination during the same year and I got succeed in the very first attempt. Right after that I have started my career with Wockhardt Hospitals, Ferraro. Since then I have been working there as an emergency doctor. Even in the ICU, I was the kind of a team member over there. Right after that, I joined the Apollo team and right now I am here in front of you. So I'll be happy to serve you all. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and having you as a family over here. Thank you so much.
Just for the benefit of everybody, I am just asking.
Sure.
If there is any emergency kind of situation, normal treatment is fine, well taken. If there is any emergency situation, cardiac or kind of sudden collapse and things, so how do you support and help to attend that kind of situation?
So basically what will do is anybody, I don't want that to
No,
happen.
but should that happen?
Correct. So we'll have a basic primary kit over here. We can definitely support, we can give the primary care. For example, if the patient is having a cardiac arrest, we can immediately start the CPR training, which is the very initial thing we should do. So CPR can save many of the lives. You must have heard of the CPR training, BLS training, ACLS training in the past as well. So nowadays people are taking more interest in that, so we can give that as well and can take to the patient nearby hospital immediately so that can save the life of the patient as much as
So our
possible.
approach here would be in such a case to transfer the patient as soon as possible by giving any kind of whatever possible primary care here, because for handling those kind of emergencies you need certain kind of equipments and medicines and support staff which we don't have here right now. Okay, so in that case, instead of wasting a lot of time here trying to do a lot of things, the best thing is to provide whatever support we can and take the patient to the nearest good medical facility which can cater to.
On the phone call, you will immediately rush to the plan.
अगर देखिए डॉक्टर इस फैसिलिटी का क्या है कि डॉक्टर इज नॉट हियर अवेलेबल एट ऑल टाइम्स. अगर डॉक्टर अवेलेबल है तो ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर कैन कम
Because we are having cardiac ambulance. That's what the problem.
तो अदर टाइम्स नर्स भी है तो नर्स कैन ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड प्राइमरी सपोर्ट. बट इन केस ऑफ एक्यूट इमरजेंसीज आई थिंक द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि नर्स के डॉक्टर जो भी अवेलेबल है वो ट्राई टू स्टेबलाइज वट एवर दे कैन डू दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड टेक द पेशेंट टू द हायर मेडिकल सेंटर.
Or just to add that, because of your connectivity and you know this profession well, suppose somebody emergency case is there, can you also call that expert to attend in our clinic as a primary checkup first?
Okay, so calling of specialist to the clinic would depend on two things. One is what sort of a demand or request we have. Okay, then in that case we have a lot of we can also check with the specialists who are staying in this society society or nearby, if they can come a couple of times a week. Okay. Also, what we can do is we can arrange for secondary consultations. Suppose somebody has been diagnosed with a particular disease and they want a secondary consultation with a specialist from Apollo. That we can do. Teleconsultation and those sort of things.
Anybody has any question, please come forward and ask. Come here. If you have any
So
question.
if somebody has an emergency from Transpire, then the patient will be able to receive priority admission in Apollo and all.
मैम ऐसा it is part of the same ecosystem. Agar if somebody wants to get a IP or treatment by getting admitted, that can also.
Should be given a special price and priority.
मैम प्राइस का तो मैं गारंटी नहीं दे सकता हूँ, बट मैं अरेंजमेंट प्रॉपर कराने का वो that we get.
Do you have any question?
When are you giving us the booklets and the details?
मैम इसका एक PDF लॉन्चिंग हो रहा है, या तो एक हमने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी बनाया है, अभी उसका QR कोड भी शेयर कर देंगे, यू ऑल कैन ज्वाइन. तो उसमें भी हम सारे जो भी हम अपने कैंप्स या ऊपर लाते रहते हैं डेली वीकली बेसिस पे, दैट वी कैन शेयर. उसके अलावा इसका PDF बन जाएगा तो प्रिंट आ जाएगा 2-4 दिन में, वो भी सर्कुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो PDF व्हाट्सएप पे तो हम शेयर कर ही देंगे. एक हमने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाया है, उसका QR कोड अभी मैं आज शेयर कर दूंगा, तो आप लोग ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं.
अपना सर्वेंट्स जो हाउसमेट्स है और हमारा सीबीआई स्टाफ है, उनको भी कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, ड्राइवर्स है जो भी अपना कनेक्टेड विद द रेसिडेंट्स, उनको भी यहाँ पर है जो भी.
आपको कुछ पूछना था रमेश जी?
How much will a driver or maid have to pay for consultation one time?
देखिए उसमें दो ऑप्शन है, या तो एक वन टाइम कंसल्टेशन है, उसके चार्जेस 300 रुपीज़ है, या तो वो कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो द बेस्ट थिंग वुड बी, अगर आपके यहाँ 2 या 3 हाउस हेल्प हैं, ड्राइवर से मेड है, तो आप उनके लिए एक पैकेज दे दो साल भर का. इससे 1499 का अगर आपने साल भर का पैकेज ले लिया, तो आपके जितने भी हाउस हेल्प है तो आप फिर उस पैकेज में खर्च कर
That means हाउस हेल्प सेपरेट आएगा, रेसिडेंट सेपरेट आएगा. दोनों को मिला नहीं सकते. हमारा फैमिली और 4 और फैमिली और 6.
फिर ऐसा है ना, वो जो फैमिली पैकेज में 4 पीपल अलाउड है, तो फिर उसमें लोग ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं.
1400 whatever it is.
1499
1499 होगा तो अपना ड्राइवर्स एंड हाउसमेट्स की कवर रहेगा पर ईयर.
एक साल.
ये समझिए कि वो फैमिली के साथ दोनों रहते हैं. हाँ, ये तो आ गया ना, 3 फैमिली देख लो. हाँ, ये तो आया.
499 में ऑपोजिट इंक्लूडेड है. अगर इमरजेंसी में घर बुलाएंगे,
499
अगर इमरजेंसी में घर बुलाएंगे तो वो 499 में.
होम विजिट्स आर चार्ज एडिशनल. जो पैकेज है 499 का, दैट इज फॉर इन क्लिनिक कंसल्टेशन. अगर होम विजिट होगा डॉक्टर का या नर्स का, तो दोनों के ही चार्जेस एडिशनल.
लेकिन आप हमारे ड्राइवर्स एंड मेट्स के लिए जो हम कर रहे हो, आप सेम रेसिडेंट्स का चार्ज उनको नहीं लगा सकते, उनको डिस्काउंट देना पड़ेगा.
तो मैं सर उनके लिए तो ऐसा ना, वैसे जो उसके देखिए 2 चीज़ें हैं, या तो वो खुद पे कर रहे हैं या अगर उनके एम्प्लॉयर्स कर रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक एम्प्लॉयर्स भी अब साल भर का अगर आप टाइम पीरियड देखेंगे तो 1499 इज वेरी लो. 100 रुपये महीने में अगर आपका कवर हो रहा है तो हाउस हेल्प का,
तो करना तो पड़ेगा ही.
चलो ना, वो तो नेगोशिएशन किया.
मैम आप कुछ कह रही थी?
Which all diagnostic tests can be done here?
Ma'am, all kind of blood tests for which can be done through a blood sample, urine sample, that can be done here. Or also there will be ECG. ECG can also be done here. There is a tele.
You said for investigation they will come home also.
Yes, ma'am.
But like if you are having only one staff and for the 3 people, morning times there will be extra
हाँ,
people.
अगर आप if before the morning clinic hours, if somebody is called, there is a charge of 150 rupees.
No, not charge. Extra people because mostly people get their tests done in the morning.
हाँ, तो मैम उसमें हमारी अपोलो का ही एक कलेक्शन वाला देयर इज अ गाय व्हिच इज इन टेक्निकल टर्म्स कॉल्ड अ फ्लेबोटोमिस्ट. उसको असाइन होता है, वो घर पे आके सैंपल कलेक्ट करता है.
No, what I was saying is there will be only one person for
Yes.
3 hours.
यस मैम.
But like the timings are approximately
अगर रहेगा तो
same
वी
for
कैन
all.
अरेंज फॉर एडिशनल आल्सो.
If it is in advance intimation, they'll arrange.
खाली मॉर्निंग सैंपल कलेक्शन के लिए एक डे पहले इवनिंग में 6 PM तक आना पड़ेगा.
Okay, now last question from him.
We will keep some limited medicines in the clinic itself, non-schedule H medicines, say for your acidity, over the counter.
While consulting medical prescribe then we need to go out and then
So that we can facilitate, but it would be an outside transaction.